Hey guys,
Hey.
we're back again with the second art tutorial for any of you kiddos who need something to do at home. Yesterday we did some fun bubble art. We had fun doing that, and we have some displayed on the fridge today. And today we're going to make another art project that's also very simple. I want to teach you a fun technique you can use at home. And if you forgot, I'd like to introduce my partner here. His name is, what's your name?
If you forget me and my glasses, then it's me, Joshua.
You don't think they can recognize you with your glasses on?
I don't think they can recognize me.
Okay. Well, he's got his cool glasses on that he bought.
They're my sports glasses.
They're his sports glasses. If you don't have watercolors at home, no worries. I'm going to show you how you can easily use markers as watercolor. Joshua, can you show them the example?
Yes, ma'am.
What's in your hand?
An inchworm.
You put the worm down?
Well, it can't get down. Inchworm. Inchworm.
Cute. Okay, so let's show them the example. This is what we're going to be creating today. So all that beautiful color we're using watercolor for, but I'm going to show you how to do that. So let me show you the things that you're going to need, and hopefully my partner will put the worm down so he can help me out.
Okay, I'm putting it. It's down.
Okay. What you'll need for the artwork are washable Crayola markers, aluminum foil, which most households have some foil somewhere in the house, a spray bottle with water. That is water. Make sure it contains water only.
A Sharpie?
A permanent marker.
It's a Sharpie.
Yes, Sharpies are permanent markers. If you don't have a permanent marker, you could probably also just use a black crayon. That'll work as well. But permanent marker will be the best option. And then some paper.
Yeah, paper.
So paper, markers, water, foil, permanent marker, and that's it. So the first part of this art project will be to create beautiful spring flowers. We're going to make a spring flower garden, and I'm going to show you how to draw different types, or you can create your own. I want you to make tall flowers, small flowers, big flowers, little flowers, just lots of different kinds of flowers like you see in this picture. But don't color it. We're only using Sharpie or permanent marker to create the flowers. The color will be the fun part, which we'll add at the end. So follow along as I draw the flowers so you can see how I do it, and then you create your own. For the first part of this assignment, all you need is your permanent marker and a blank piece of paper. If you don't have the permanent marker, just use a black crayon. We're creating a spring flower garden. Flowers come in all different shapes and sizes, so create as many different ones as you want. Do not add any color yet. That will be for step 2. So follow along and create your own garden. Now for part 2, we need the foil and the washable markers and the water. Make sure it's water in your spray bottle. Okay, the size foil you'll need will be big enough to cover your piece of paper, or as big or bigger than your piece of paper. So set your drawing to the side, and you're going to use your markers to color the entire piece of foil. Color it as colorfully as you want and use as many colors as you want, but color the entire thing.
forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue.
Once you've colored your entire piece of foil, take your water bottle and you're going to spritz the marker several times with water. Once it's all the way wet, take your picture, face down, press it into the foil, and press your picture down on top of the wet marker. Then carefully lift it to reveal your color print onto your flower garden. Ta-da! Beautiful work. That's a quick way to add lots of color to your picture and give it a watercolor effect versus just marker. All you have to do is add a little water.